If your sneeze sounds like a rocket, you might just be right. You won't believe this. A sneeze can blast out of your nose at a mind-blowing 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Imagine this. You're sitting in traffic, but your sneeze could zoom past everyone. Crazy, right? But why so fast? Well, it's your body's super efficient way of clearing out irritants like dust or pollen. It's like your nose has its own turbo boost. And get this, a single sneeze can shoot out 100,000 tiny droplets. That's a whole lot of achoo. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, remember you're about to unleash some serious speed. Just make sure to cover your mouth and nose, because nobody likes a sneezy surprise. If you found this as cool as we did, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. See you next time.